returned from Panama City for the Ironman competition. Who competed in the Ironman?
Daddy. And me and Brandon.
The kids did the Ironman Kids, which is the 1 mile race the day before, which they had a blast with. She got a medal. So the Ironman was such a big accomplishment for John. He finished it in 14 hours. And what did he have to do? What did he do first? Swim. Bike. Run. That's right. It requires so much training.
And also, he earned money for it.
No, he didn't earn money for it.
That's good.
He paid money for it.
Yeah, he paid. My favorite thing about cheering Daddy on was that when he got there, I got to run and hug him.
That was sweet. He was so glad to be done.
And I wasn't stop hugging him.
Good job, babe! Keep it up! Good job, babe! Let's go, John! Let's go, babe! You okay? Good? Good job, babe. Woohoo! Good job, babe. We are so proud of our daddy that he completed the race. He completed it in 14 hours. He just did so good.
So we did this little Iron Kids race. We ran 1 mile, and I beat my mom.
He did. He did beat me. I ran with the little girls, and he beat us. That's right.
Brandon, big smile. Dude, you crushed it. Good job, Emma. Good job. Good job, Mommy.
We stayed at Splash Resort through Southern Vacation Rentals and had a great experience with them. Our condo had how many balconies did it have? 3 balconies.
I had one in my room.
The Splash Resort was a perfect place to stay right by the Ironman Village. It was far enough away that we weren't just in a mass amount of people of all time, but the bike route went right past our condo. We got to go down in the middle of the day and cheer Dad on. They had this awesome covered water park.
Oh, I wouldn't know.
Okay, go ahead.
So they had this water park. So they had 3 slides. There was a hot tub.
Hot tub right next to the water park area.
And
so parents
and there
got
was
to relax.
A pool, and up above us was an arcade.
That's right. And it all overlooked the beach. We loved our stay at Splash Resort. There was this sandbar right outside our resort. I don't think it's there all times of the year. We were there in November, and I took a couple pictures of it, the kids, like a drone shot, and no one believed that we were in Florida. It looked like we were in the middle of the Caribbean. It was absolutely beautiful. You could just walk right out to it, and it looked like you were in the Bahamas. Tell them about the sandbar.
What's it?
Remember the sandbar that y'all walked out to?
What?
Oh!
So there was like this little island. The waves are coming that way, that way, that way. And it was just so much fun.
We have upcoming trips to Switzerland and Peru, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Follow us on all social media outfits. We share pictures and videos on our Instagram. We share travel deals on our Facebook page. Be sure to check us out. Good job!